Good morning, children. How are you today? Thank you. I am fine today. Today we'll speak about seasons and the weather. Балалар, біз бүгін мезгілдер мен ауа райы туралы өтетін боламыз. Aims of the lesson. Learn the names of the seasons and the weather. Listen and repeat. Тыңдаймыз және қайталаймыз. Seasons. Мезгілдер. Spring, көктем. Summer, жаз. Autumn, күз. Winter, қыс. Look and see. Қараймыз және айтамыз. Is it a summer? No, it is not. Is it a winter? Yes, it is. Is it autumn? No, it is not. Is it spring? Yes, it is. Is it winter? No, it is not. Is it summer? Yes, it is. Is it spring? No, it is not. Is it autumn? Yes, it is. Next, answer the questions. Келесі сұраққа жауап береміз. Do you like winter? Сен қыс мезгілін ұнатасың ба? Yes, I do. Әрине. Do you like spring? Yes, I do. Do you like summer? Yes, I do. Do you like autumn? Yes, I do. What season do you like? Сен қай мезгілді ұнатасың? I like spring. I like summer. I like autumn. I like winter. What season don't you like? Сен қай мезгілді ұнатпайсың? I don't like spring. I don't like summer. I don't like autumn. I don't like winter. Good. Thank you. Now we watch video.
It's cloudy. Cold.
Cold.
It's cold. Foggy.
Foggy.
It's foggy. Hot.
Hot.
It's hot. Raining.
Raining.
It's raining. Snowing.
Snowing.
It's snowing. Stormy.
Stormy.
It's stormy. Sunny.
Sunny.
It's sunny. Windy.
Windy.
It's windy. How's the weather? It's cloudy. It's cold. It's foggy. It's hot. It's raining. It's snowing. It's stormy. It's sunny. It's windy.
Next, new words. Repeat after me. Cloudy, cloudy, raining, raining, sunny, sunny, snowing, snowing, cold, cold, hot, hot, stormy, stormy, windy, windy, foggy, foggy. Translate, please. Аударамыз. Cloudy, бұлтты, raining, жаңбырлы, sunny, күнді, snowing, қарлы, cold, суық, hot, ыстық, stormy, боранды, windy, желді, foggy, тұманды. And now, let's read poem. Let's read our together. Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white. Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white. If you like the lesson, give reflection. Thank you very much. Goodbye.